ngikhulela eShowe ngakhulela kwaMashu kwaM ngakhulela eMlazi kwaM ngahlala kwaV eMlazi ngangifuna ukuba umsakazi ekhaya kohlusha ngena lutho so baba wathi after matric ayikho into engasanginikeza yona ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukuya university so ngabe security guard baba way security kodwa into angiyenza after school kusuka eMlazi station ngize ngifike eBeria ngiye kwaMashu ngibamba ibhokisi lama-apple after school ayithi baba amaphula amaphula adlula ayithi baba but manje mangithi motivation ngithatha ngithi uNkulunkulu wayitraina my voice to become a great radio DJ so ayikho into eyenzeka empilweni yakho uNkulunkulu angenayo vision yayo ukuthi we are going there but I remember security Durban security out yathi mina ngifuna ukuba umsakazi yathi hayi bras awuthi ukupatrola kancane
abojika la
no le ukuthi uzoba umsakazi ube TV presenter ube soma business engiziyenzeke so ngaphusha my brother njenge out ngathi no one day ngizoba grand ngafika eJohannesburg I took a taxi ngaphuma ekseni nje kwinkampani security ngabamba itekisi ngafika eJohannesburg ngabeka isikhwama wesinye isitolo ngafunda ukuhlala ngahlala ngabhuka ngafunda la kuqeqeshwa khona ukuthi umuntu abe iTV or iradio bafuna imali ngangenayo ngathi but I'm not going back to KZN and then I stayed at Johannesburg until ngihlale emagarage nakwitradi zaseJohannesburg. I was not a street kid but ngangilala ebusuku sometimes nama street kids ngihlala nawo kuze kusekuseni ngilingisa uKansas noPotlasa
oyilona wait ayakapheli indaba yakho asafuna uqala interview sifuna usaniphekhele uLinda Spear so ngiyazi ukuba nestint emsakazweni eMkhungundlovu
yes
waba nendlela owangena ngayo kumsakazo omkhulu waSABC
you want that
yeah
let me share about that my brother so igama lami aphelele ngihlala ngithi I call myself uLindo Kuhle Mehlendoda because uLinda is for iradio manje so ukuya kwami eRadio Maritzburg ngafika on the first day and they told me ukuthi asike isikhala and I left and then the following morning I came back ngathi listen fly emotions I'm here the same guy now is working for me in my business is the same guy Owang reject Dave Hoskins and he said to me no I told you yesterday there's nothing. Not okay, thank you, sir. I'm coming back tomorrow.
Yeah.
And they came back again. The late Mandla Ngobo was doing the breakfast show. I think, what are you doing here? You know, my brother, I want to become a radio DJ. I didn't wait. Ngizakuvana nawo ngekari ngilingisa uKansas emotweni ngilingisa uPotlasa emotweni ngilingisa uSjula Mnisi alvethu iyayishaya lento vethu ngithi my brother ngicela opportunity nje ngiyakuncenga my brother aluhlala kuphi mfethu ngithi ekhaya vethu isemlazi athi mhlanje phona ngithi hayi ngizolela kini galala on the floor kubo ngayingane khona every day my studio I'm there one day the guy was supposed to do 12 and 3. Wengeko. I was around.
I'm ready.
And then I told the station manager, no, ngikana opportunity ngene moya manje. Athi ngida cannot operate the desk but nje angizoshaya impopo mina.
Yeah.
Abathi ngene. Ukuthi asheli ngadumela ngujwang bonjoka misava. Ngawubambe egoli.
Yeah.
So the open link yami eRadio Maritzburg ngaba bethi bepressa ibutton ngathi asheli kadumela ngujwang bonjoka misava Radio Maritzburg 107.9 Linda Spear ngibikele emakhaya asheli kadumela what are you saying?
There's nothing called luck in this world.
True.
When opportunity meets preparedness.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's what you get. That's how you got uLinda Spear to begin with.
Cabanga, and you know, I can see that you never give up on everything.
No, I will never.
Anything that you've done.
No.
Magic Top. You understand?
Yeah.
The most packed show.
Thank you.
You understand? It started there. People are seeing one-man shows, Philip, so. I remember the days when I was a DJ starting off and there were no opportunities and you were the person who opened doors and left them open for everyone to enter. Flair, our guy who doubles up, he played on your show. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So why stay grounded and not give up?
Even joining the big station, it was the same thing because Nakon, so ngathumela it demo, but normally it must be 10 minutes.
Yes.
I mean, my demo was 1 hour, and I told myself they will listen to my demo. bayilalela yonke demo yami. And then bangibiza, but no, once in a color sakubiza, and bangibiza that 1996, about 12 to 5 in the morning. So a passion ye magic tour and motivation. Mina ngaqala ebusuku ngithi asisikele jigayo where I come from. So ukuvula indaba zo magic tour ngiyema universities, I wanted to say you can do it in life. Ungakwenza kwenzeka. Uma mina ngakwenza. Ukuba grounded, I tell you, if you want to be a best radio personality or even a comedian, love people. Thanda abantu.
So and then you broke new ground with something that has never been done in radio.
Yes, sir.
Let's alone let's say now.
I'm coming there.
So ulendo leyo yokuthi kuthiwa uzophelela umsebenzi hlukana nokumonza motivation emsakazweni.
Sure.
Hlukana nemotivation emsakazweni.
Sure.
And you say no, but abantu bayidinga lento.
I remember I was called by the late programs manager and he wanted to give me 3 to 6, and then when I turn to 6 you do the motivation. And I remember I introduced Usbu Teles. Yes, no, it's working for people. But no, you cannot play a gospel song with 3 to 6. God, this thing is big, is needed. Well, no, please stop it. Say, yeah. Poloza Nzimande, my former boss. What Linda Gesebenz. So it was big because even my numbers. The guy from Johannesburg who came with numbers, but I'm shocked. Why your show is big 3:30 to 4:30? Eardropper, but at 10 to 6, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Not because of the motivation.
So this guy now has a radio and broadcasting academy. He has a lot of talent under his belt that he identified and groomed. He's a businessman. He employs even the guy who rejected him.
Hey, that's crazy. That is crazy.
So and then you started a family. You've been blessed with a wife and kids.
Yeah, yes, sir. Right? Okay. I've been married for 18 years.
Yes, sir.
My brother, if you're married, you must know there are things we delayo, there are things we tandai. After radio, my kids and my wife, what do you give me? Thank you so much. Now you're gonna have time for the family.
Yeah. Wow.
Because my kids, even my son, I'll say he's a rapper, he's a hip hop artist, he's up and coming. Yeah. He wrote a song. Then my dad drives these cars and we live in the big house, but I don't see him. I stay with him, but I don't see him. That killed me, Felix. So to be a family man and motivate, and then also to be on the news, tabloid, front page, but when you come back home, when you cry, they are there to say, no, we're here, we love you. The first day when I'm there's a family that we're still here, man. Come on.
Linda,
2014 2014 January 30, but 29 I was told don't come back tomorrow, and then banikeza umngani wami uchata, and then the following morning ngabuye kwathono at 3:45 we'll tell you the news. At 3:45 they told me no, SABC has decided to terminate the contract. I love them because where I am today is them. Then ngasuma before I leave the office, I want to bless you. Thank you so much for the opportunity. The industry is too small. I'll see you soon.
Bambe lapho. So buya kahle asichazile kahle because sabona nokuthi izathu waxoshela zona emsakazweni.
No problem.
Necala leli la khona laphela waphuma phambili sifuna ukwazi ke ukuthi kwakwenzekalani.
No problem.
So anything. When we come back. Masibheka nje kwi-industry ne. Linda.
Yeah.
Ongibalela nje just mhlambe kugcwalisana nomembili. People that we know today as superstars. Abadlulisandeni sakho or introduce wena or wena ubanikeza chance.
Elvovo Dirango.
Yeah.
Something opportunity to Magic Tour.
Yeah.
A big nazi keeping on Medizozo.
Yeah.
Uhlengo emhlaba dollar lam. Utigulo ukabelo spana moral shows. Guy TKZ figure. Umzakeze West. DJ Sbu. Umbona ambuvum pop and pass. Brown Dash. Nganezoma khona ngisho khona that song I broke the song we industry ngqungulu zomhlaba mina my brother ayish baningi
too many so asingene kule ndaba le esabekayo
sure ayisabeki
because ngeke ngaxoxe sakazweni nami
yes sir
ngingena i-charge sheet kwavela kwathi nje ayishapa next thing mase ngilalela Oh, so we lean within the yeah, so, but yeah, understand a humiliation when you have a resolve about yourself that you
Yeah, sure.
But obviously the affect umndeni wakho it affects a business lakho kuthiwa uqoshiwe thu uqoshele ini uqoshele ukhwabanisa
Sure. Sure.
corruption.
Sure.
Okay, now you've been vindicated, but I want you to take me back.
Okay.
Uma sekwenzeka kunamahlebezi etulo kunama hlebezi esandla sesithathu uxoshelweni uxoshwe kanjani emsakazweni.
Okay, one, uxoshwa kwami, it was not nice because I was not told ukuthi this is your last day. You know, when you get to work and you do your show and you finish your show and then to a moqeda sicela ukubona, you go to a meeting to please write a letter and tell us why for singaxoshi that one. And then you say no, it's fine, but I think it's not today. Can I give it to you tomorrow? But no, tomorrow don't even do your show. Someone will do your show. Because it was a company Magic Communications and Edcon. And first time Kulma Radio in Kanji. Senga Kulma ngopi I won the case. It was not inhlangano yokusakaza nami ngangangene ndawo mina. And I told them, no, do me a favor. The auditors, they must come to my office and deal with the matter between Edcon and Magic Communications. Not Nina Ngangin, but no, because you're a freelance. No, Angin down. And already in now is first time I'm gonna say it. On my SMS, I received a message that so and so, by we told you must be fired. I know them, I meet them, I greet them, I laugh with them, and I pray for them. And then I called the guy. I said, my brother, I heard you're the one what SABC. He said, no. Okay. And I went to another guy and I said, my brother, it is true, you are involved. Are you jealous about the Magic Tour? Are you jealous about what I'm doing on the side? I've been doing this thing for the past 10 years because I joined the SABC in 1996. The Magic Tour started 2004. Then it kept quiet. And then I was called to know I received the money from Edcon to do the Magic Tour. My concept, not the SABC concept. But in the proposal that I wrote to Edcon, Ngati, I want to do a gala dinner for the legends, Kansas City, Kulket, and others. Ukba Saluta. Edcon said yes. Some people within they basically master the concept. Nothing pinla back Edcon. I cannot do the gala dinner because gune problem menje kononga touting yenze the concept. Yeah, Edcon, yeah, but we're giving you the money, take the money and do something else. And I went back to my community eshowe. Ngapenda isonto, ngafaka amathalza esontweni, ngabiza othobekile, ngabiza usifiso ncwane, ngabiza abaculi, ngathenga amabhayibheli, ngathenga ukudla, kwagcwala with that money. Edcon was fine with that. But someone within said, no, Tina, uthathe SABC wayifaka into disrepute. Ulimaza igama lethu. But on kuphi nendawo SABC obama senkantolo inkantolo I know ngikhuluma Magic Communications or you are talking about inhlangano. Ngikhuluma freely manje because I won the case. And then when I went to court, my brother, for a year. Can you imagine every day, after 2 months you go to court, after 2 months you go to court, after 2 months you go to court. I'm paying from my own pocket. That's why I even took a decision to go to another radio station to do the show, to say, I'm free. Please come and arrest me if I took the money. After everything since again, this guy is my GM and Magic Media Group. When we got to court, Mrs. B, Linda Woodless B, stand up, ngama. But Inkandoliti is please, Oguti, your case has been withdrawn. Step down, sir. He was there, and I left the courtroom and I sat there. I said, one person that I meet, on top of that, I helped that person. But wenza kahle itulo lokuthi ngihambe. Yena is still living at the SABC and he's still working, getting money. But I don't want to fight this person. Because if I can call the press briefing or the media. Yeah, no. No.
That's true.
I can call names. I can say, yeah.
So now masibuyele emuva
Come
ke
on.
sithola izathu sokuthi ke uhoxisiwe eSABC uma inkantolo lesikuthola usikhipha phambili. Does it then become expulsion or termination yakho? Does it become an unfair dismissal? Are you going to contest it? Abantu badinga usenzela inhlangano yabantu vele.
Yeah, bang thing. My brother, I walk radio, I sleep radio, I eat radio, I dream radio, I love radio. But for 2014, 2015, 2016, I inkeke. I sonded.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, Kesa to Kesari. My brother, angitole log. And then yeah, my attorneys and I met them in Johannesburg. They wrote a letter to the CEO corner. He came down to KZN, and then I watchele izindaba ezingekho right, so he wrote back to us with no mina ngitshele 1 2 3 4 5. So again this year we're going to write a letter to them and tell them good no, okay guys, we just want inkecanyana.
Yeah.
But must nike inkece ayileminyaka mhlambe isele u2 angene phela emoyeni ngiqedele.
So you would go back on radio?
I love radio, man, but I'm not saying I will go back to radio. I can go to any station. I can work for any station. I love radio. Radio is in me. I can even donate ngesara yami ngehola because I'm doing well.
Shots fired.
Any station is ungithatha Felix, Fly and Lisol.
Yeah.
I can take that man and sing his intandane under Linda Spear Foundation. It's fine. I don't have a problem. I like that. Give me the microphone back.
You heard it first on the V-Day.
Yeah, no, I love umsakazo. Niggas impopo kuphela ngisakazo.
Awuze. Now Linda, baningi abantu abafaka emsakazweni ngomunye wabo. Namhlanje ngumsakazi, namhlanje ngiphila impilo engiyiphilayo ngenxa yethuba wanginikeza lona.
Yes sir.
Kusomahla odumile ngenxa yethuba wanginikeza lona. Baningi ke abanye ngaphandle kwami. Omunye technical producer walo lo hlelo lelo uDJ Flair. Baningi abantu osusebenze nabo. Abaningi abakushayela ihlombe, abaningi mhlawumbe abafila ngokuthi abakwazi ukukhuluma kakhulukazi ngegama lakho ngenxa yokuthi nabo mhlawumbe basese bekhululeka no SABC.
Bangitshela shem, man, they tell me.
So there is one particular lady, Otini, you hold a place very dear in her heart. Owamnikeza ithuba owakuthozela kakhulu nokushintsha kwempilo yakhe.
Yeah.
I've got her on the line.
Oh, come on.
Smart, hi, someone bingile
Ah, come on.
The match.
Ah, Gaddafi. Oh, Katakat.
Magic.
Ah, man. No, man.
Match.
No, man.
Didn't match nice, though. The ninja.
Felix, you know Raito, man. This guy knows Raito, man.
Angifuna isikhathi somsakazi njengekhola. But ngifuna the opportunity yomdala. Ngikubonge, and I've done it before. And ngibonga kakhulu Magic for into owayenza kimi. Kuningi engingakusho ngawe, but one thing that stood out for me ukuthi you are phenomenal Magic.
Thanks.
Bakhona abantu abanetalent vele abakhona empilweni that they will never be Mr. Magic Sibiya, they will never be. I had an opportunity to work with you. Ngaze ngafunda Magic uyazi siphuma kude. Yebo okunye ngeke sikusho in public, but deep down enhlizweni ngila engikhona because of contribution yakho awunawo umona. Ubungibiza njalo ungibiza ngoSimamfuza, you know, nangaphandle komsebenzi ikhampani yami encinyane you make sure ukuthi benginemsebenzi eningi. Ngiyabonga Magic. Ikakhulu ngibonga no staff. You've got one amazing woman. I'm yet to see another strong man like uSijabu. And ngibonga yena ukuthi even though bekunzima emsakazweni, she has always there for you.
Yeah.
And you know you have done so much. You bought me an iPad ngiqala Magic ngeintweni nge-iPad tell wena. I understand a lot. So I'm grateful Magic. I'm grateful. I can write a book, you know, documentary about your life.
Thanks, man. Thanks, Isma.
Yeah.
Sure. Hey, Felix. Yeah. Thanks, Isma. Wow.
Yeah, ne?
Oh, man.
Think about it, in this room even, there are so many of us that you've given opportunities to. She's not the only one who feels this way.
Hey, young Limahasa, man.
Askis.
No, man, I think Usma ngangifuna producer for my show, and then bafika benza my interviews, and I said, this is the right person to do as a producer. Uzandile Tembe, the program's manager, I remember now the interview. This is the person who can produce my show. Now she's the programs manager. We try to go the way figures as in the show. Ngati bem interview Alex Mtiane menze kuseni please tell that guy ngahamba when I meet him. Every Friday come to my show. Umro the same thing. Kameza was a news reader, and then he came to read the news, and I said to him, my brother, I think you belong to technical, and then on air they must give you a show. I did the same thing. Oh, Mzogologo, I love mornings. The guy who was doing a gossip in my show, Felix Sope, he took my show. Two people in my radio career I will never forget. Two. It's Felix Sope and Zondo.
Yeah.
Zondo and Felix. My brother, my documentary Usbusma, she's doing it. But Uzondo took the motivation to another level. I went to a funeral and I had him a kuruma. I want this man. Felix came and then went the one prank, and then people want to see pin the prank. I said, this man, I told him, Felix, you deserve your radio show, man. No matter how corner, but when you deserve your radio
somewhere.
show.
Yeah. You was the one thing.
Spending time with Mr. Magic. Still chatting with Zakuni Amanda, who 861 596 596 Zakala is in CFM Trompies, Sweetie Lavo.
Yeah. And TKZ. I know these are your selection.
Sure.
Why specifically these two songs?
Oh wow, TKZ man Palafala.
Yeah.
Remember you said Peter Morris back. I think it was why Kabelo. We were very tight.
Yeah.
So palafali figure yafika mina nge-CDR. So nginalondo nanto another thing like bonding the way uyabona nanto bese kuba i-Sweetie Lavo i-Trompies because just debate man good tipping ngoma ngathi no the Sweetie Lavo and then ngayi-breaker and then it was big.
Hit.
Yeah. Mazola ngahlosa unyaka once ngawo. Mazola givela phasweni.
Givela. I remember that ngakusengihamba ama text ngebeach.
Ukta Shepi, what are you up to? We always know we are men of God, my friend. And
yes, sir.
uNkulunkulu akekho ezulwini uzophendula imithandazo yabantu uyathumela ingelosi zakhe ezinye siphila nazo.
Sure.
In the spear throughout the hardship and whatever life throws at you.
Sure.
You always come up top.
But
what are you doing for the people? Tell us what is cooking in your kitchen right now.
Interpreting Pilisile Linda Spear Foundation sinobulelwana sebenza no Mngeni Water ngeminyaka u3 nabo and Augustibili Magic Media Group sine Magic Broadcasting Academy eqala this year. Ama classes aqala mhla ka4 ku March 2019. Monday abantu baya register i-radio production course eka 1 year and senza ne public speaking abantu abakwazi ukukhuluma ngibona emncabeni no mayor sometimes no ministers abakwazi ukuphatha microphone even ukugqoka image. So I'm training abantu ukuthi bakwazi ukukhuluma but we radio production, content producing, technical, editing, journalism, introduction yakhona we Magic Broadcasting Academy. And again my brother, as Vulang is called we are accredited by MICT SITA. And our partner is Department of Arts and Culture National. Our office alaba a point waterfront. Abantu bengaya bengangena kubesifone with 087 365 3689. Bakhona balindi labantwana but okubalekile angifuna ukutraina nomuntu onjani. Iba passionate about radio. And then we are giving a free course here DJing as well. On top of that, free. You must be accredited first.
I am.
So we are doing that. Abantu was by www.magicba.co.za. Bathole imininingwane bakwazi ukuthi basondele. And ngizokwenza ngidesha again ngikhuluma niqalela ekhaya kuba uFelix no Fly Motion no Lesol. Ikhona iMagic Broadcasting Academy salonja this year.
Yeah. Awesome. So if you have a passion for radio, you know what to do. Inbox. Very straight to Broadcasting Academy. Yeah, Mr. Magic. No, we're looking forward to it. If
Yes,
there's
sir.
any contribution of any kind that you'd like for us to make, corner says Nigela Nat.
Okay. Very important.
Future red.
Sure.
I've got one caller because I'm a caller zamaning in my voice messages. Actually, our questions also up.
Sure.
So there's one very controversial one.
Hello, Mr. Magic. Hi. Sanibona nonke in the studio. My question is, unaso isithembu?
Sengiyama, bye. No man, okay, mhlamba ngiphendula kanje. Ngizale stage ni baba wami namakhosikazi ayi4 from 1 man to 33. Uma wami si 11 ongaseke emhlabeni. Angisixwa isithembu, I don't have a problem with isithembu. No Solomon wena 700 namakhosikazi nentombi ezi 300. So makuza kimi asikho isithembu. Asikho.
Kodwa sixwaye kodwa asikho.
Ayixwa Jesus.
Yes.
Manda rebo.
Yes.
Ngeke sazi.
So before sikutetele zokunikeza nje 1 minute 60 seconds to a person who's close to giving up. Ufuna ukuthini?
Ungayibulali, ungayiqedi, ungazehluleli. Uma bekhuluma abantu izinto ezinegative, vala amadlebe. Uma ubona into enegative, thani I'm blind, angiboni emehlweni. Nothing is impossible. Bala on your wall, it is not over until God says it's over. It is not over until I win. Be selfish. You come first. It's God and you. And I tell you, you choose in life. Or go on a crowd and clap hands for someone. Or you choose, like you, when's Njalo Felix? What I want to be on stage. People must clap hands for me.
Yes, sir.
You can do it. Nothing is impossible. It's not over.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sibiya. Now, Mr. Magic, before we tell, a much publicized controversial a relationship colorful between you and Pastor Zondo, a guy that you discovered and put on a pedestal. You had a fallout.
Sure.
Fast forward 2019.
2019, this year I'm going to be touring. It's not over with Mr. Magic too. Usithembiso Zondo media yathathi ihaba but benza ihaba kwa ihaba sakhuluma. Remember ngiyekule stage, she called me and said, Sibiya, mina nawe sixabene, but one day we'll have a platform and then we can talk about this. And again, when I do the tour, he will be part of the people now. Sakhuluma now, uyisahleka.
God bless you.
Thank you, man.
God bless you. Ungakhathali. Ngohlezi ukukhulunywa ngawo makhathali Sibiya sena sekudinga sekuthanda abalaleli bakuthanda kakhulu ngiyabuka ama telephone lines namanje they're still going off. So I know in wrapping up, let's all.
I know, I'm very inspired. Thank you for giving me that opportunity. I'm a mixes on your breakfast show. Impact OINs. I'm here today.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. New TV show is coming, eh? Come on.
This is your Weekdays, 12 to 3 p.m.